In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Systeme.io with Razorpay, a popular payment gateway mainly used in India. This integration will help streamline your payment processes, ensuring a secure and efficient system for your customers based in India. So let's dive in and make this setup a breeze. To get started, first log into your Systeme.io account. Use the link that's conveniently provided in the description below. Once you're logged in, the first stop on our journey is the Settings section. This is where you'll initiate the process of connecting your payment methods. Once you're in the Settings area, navigate towards the Payment Methods tab and go ahead and click on it. Here you'll find a list of all available payment options that you can integrate. What you need to do is look for Razorpay. Once you've found it, you'll want to click the Connect Razorpay button. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between your Systeme.io account and the Razorpay platform. Let's pause for a quick note. Razorpay is primarily available for users in India. Therefore, ensure your business operates within India or you have a business presence there. This is important because it affects how smoothly your transactions will be processed. Moving forward, you'll need to gather some critical information from your Razorpay account, specifically the API ID and the API secret key. To access these, log into your Razorpay dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Settings section and select API keys. From this point, you can generate your API keys. Ensure you copy both the key ID and the secret key accurately, as these are the credentials that will authorize the connection between the two platforms. After you've taken those details, go back to your Systeme.io and carefully paste each one into the designated fields. Double check that everything is accurate, as any errors here could prevent the integration from working correctly. Once you've ensured that all your information is precisely where it needs to be, click Save, and there you have it. Your Systeme.io account is now successfully connected with Razorpay. Through this integration, you can now offer smooth and secure payment options, particularly for your Indian customers, while also managing your sales funnels more efficiently. Before you go, don't forget to check the link in the description to try out Systeme.io for free and embark on building your online business today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to join me in the next video where we'll explore more ways to make your online venture even more successful.